Your smart TV feels smart, but why can't it install the apps you actually want? No Google Play Store, no freedom, no real control. Today, I will show you how to install the Google Play Store on almost any smart TV and unblock thousands of apps, including powerful third-party apps that most TVs don't have. And the best part, no root required, no complicated setup, just a simple and safe workaround that works on most smart TVs. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll also show you how to safely install APK files and unlock your TV's full potential. Let's begin. First, you will need an app called Downloader. This is an essential app for smart TVs and one of the most powerful tools you can have. If you don't know how to install it, I've added a link in the video description. Now open the Downloader app and enter the URL shown on the screen into the search bar. Once you enter it, click Go. Downloader will connect to the website and automatically start downloading the required file. After the download finishes, click Install. This will install the Google Play Store on your TV. Don't open it yet. Go back and delete the downloaded file, since it's no longer needed and helps free up storage. Now head to your apps section, find the Google Play Store and move it to your home screen for quick access. That's it. You have successfully installed the Google Play Store on your smart TV and can now install any third-party app using Downloader. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss smart TV tips like this.